Hello friends, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Amit's Biology.
Dear students, today we discuss about the first lung question in reproduction in flowering plant, that is development of male gametophyte. What is male gametophyte? The process of development of male gamete inside pollen grain or microspore, it is known as male gametophyte. The process of development of male gamete inside the pollen grain is known as micro development of male gametophyte. So this process is conducted by means of two important steps, that is the microsporogenesis and microgametogenesis. So first we discuss about microsporogenesis. So what is microsporogenesis? The process in which microspore mother cell, the process by means of which microspore mother cell give rise to microspore or pollen is known as microsporogenesis. So process of development of microspore develops from whom? Microspore mother cell. Every organism derive from its mother. So microspore mother cell or produces microspore, or microspore produces from microspore mother cell. So this process is known as microsporogenesis. Okay, what happened in this step? So in the first step, anther contain a thin wall. So anther is nothing, it contain a mass of parenchymatous cell. So anther nothing, it is a mass of parenchymatous cell which is surrounded by epidermis. It's surrounded by outer covering, that is known as epidermis. So in the early stage, anther contain large number of parenchymatous cell. So these are the parenchymatous cell. This is the anther wall. This is your epidermis. Okay, then it is converted to four-lobed structure. Then it becomes four-lobed. The parenchymatous cell, which looks globular in structure, after that it is converted to four-lobed structure. It becomes four-lobed, and the outer wall, that is the epidermis, is also present. Next, so below layer of epidermis is known as hypodermis. So some of the hypodermal cell act as archisporial initial. So epidermis is below layer, that is hypodermis. This hypodermal cell act as archisporial initial. Then the archisporial initial, what happened? The archisporial initial divide by transverse division, or this archisporial initial divide by transverse division to produce an outer cell and an inner cell. The outer cell is known as primary parietal cell and the inner cell is known as primary sporogenous cell. Okay, so after that, what happened? The primary parietal cell give rise to remaining layer of anther wall. So we know anther wall contain four layers, that is the epidermis, endothecium, middle layer and tapetum. But we know previously one layer that is exists, that is epidermis. So the remaining layers are derived from primary parietal cell, that is your endothecium, middle layer and tapetum. So the work is over of the PPC. So PPC work over. Next comes sporogenous cell. This primary sporogenous cell divide to produce large mass of sporogenous cell. Large mass of sporogenous cell. And what happen after that? These sporogenous cells act as microspore mother cell. Act as microspore mother cell. Then the genetic content of microspore mother cell, sporogenous cell, they are all diploid. Means they contain two sets of chromosome. Okay. Then the microspore mother cell undergoes meiosis. Microspore mother cell undergoes meiosis. This meiosis results 4 haploid microspores. 4 haploid microspores. These microspores occur in the form of tetrad. तो केमती माइक्रोस्पोर फॉर्मेशन है? माइक्रोस्पोर फॉर्मेशन है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ टेट्राड. Means 4 cells aggregated together, and for this aggregation a chemical is required. That chemical is known as callose. Chemical na कौन? Callose. Next, so these microspore tetrads arranged in 5 different manner. Though there are 4 microspores are produced from microspore, single microspore mother cell, and their aggregation process complete by means of a chemical known as callose. Next, these microspore tetrads show 5 different types of arrangement. So what are these types? So one is tetrahedral, isolateral, isobilateral, decussate, T-shape, and linear. So these are the 5 different types of arrangement. So if you see, this is the tetrahedral type of arrangement. Tetrahedral, then isobilateral. These are the isobilateral arrangement. Then decussate. Okay. Then T-shape. Then last one, that is the linear. Means they are arranged in linear row. So these are the 5 different types of arrangement seen in case of microspore tetrad. So out of which tetrahedral type of arrangement is the common feature of dicot, and isobilateral is the arrangement of monocot. So these are the features which are found in case of your reproduction in flowering plant and the process of microsporogenesis.